How to change the link sticker text in your Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change or customize the link sticker text in your Instagram story. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, you have to create your story. Once you're on your home page, tap on add your story at the top left corner. Now you can either add a picture from your gallery or simply take a picture from your camera. So tap on camera and then take a picture. Once you're done, head towards the top of this interface, tap on the sticker icon. Now here you have to select the link icon or the menu. Then you have to paste or type the desired URL into the provided field right here. Here I have copied the link. Once you're done, below the URL field, there is an option as customize sticker text. Tap on it. Now enter the text that you want to display on this sticker. For example, you can either type in shop now, learn more, or read article. Here I will just type in click here. And you can add different stickers from your device as well. After you are done customizing your sticker, simply tap on done to confirm your custom text. Now you can position the sticker on your story as desired. If you tap on it, the color of the stickers will be changed so that it matches with your story aesthetic. Once you're done, now you can share it. So that's the way to customize your link sticker text, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.